Hi there, students. To send somebody packing. Okay, to expel them, to send them away, to chase them off, to force them out. So, the invaders landed on our coast and our army turned up and sent them packing. Okay, we expelled them. We got rid of them. We made them go. So to send somebody packing, to tell somebody rudely to go away, to make somebody go away. She tried to interfere with what I was doing, but I sent her packing. Just leave, go away, off. Yeah, to send somebody packing, to tell them to go, to get rid of them, to dismiss them rudely or abruptly. When it was when it was clear that he was only interested in making money for himself, I sent him packing. Because he wasn't prepared to do anything for anyone else. His only objective was me. So I sent him packing. I was only 5 minutes late for the meeting, but the boss sent me packing. He said, "You're 5 minutes late. Go away. Don't come in." Or perhaps in a football match, the referee could send a player packing, red card. Yeah, so send somebody packing to make somebody leave in a sudden way. There were some kids at the door. They were asking me for money, but I sent them packing. Go somewhere else. Yeah, to ask somebody to leave immediately, to make somebody go immediately, to force somebody to leave. So, yeah, this is normally when you have an unwelcome guest, somebody who you don't want to be there, you just send them packing. You eject them, you throw them out. So yes, I went into her bedroom in the middle of the night, and unfortunately she sent me packing. Okay, so to send somebody packing, to tell somebody to leave immediately in a forceful way, go away. After a heated argument, my boss sent me packing and told me not to come back. Yeah, to make somebody leave, to dismiss them from their job or from the place where they are. To tell somebody who's not wanted, they've got to go immediately. So after being Prime Minister for 4 years, the electorate, the voters, sent him packing. Dozens of workers were sent packing because of new harsh environmental rules. Okay, so yeah, to hand somebody their hat, to get them to leave, to make them go, to send them packing. Now, apparently this phrase appears in Shakespeare. Falstaff said, "Faith, and I'll send him packing." That's 1596, but it may have existed before that as well. So yeah, to send somebody packing, to send them off roughly, to dismiss somebody in disgrace. I don't want you here. So they sent him packing. Yeah, to dismiss curtly. Yeah, the cashier was stealing money from the company. So they sent him packing. Good sense prevailed, and they sent the manager packing. I think if you're a manager of a team and your team loses 4 or 5 games in a row, then you're in danger of being sent packing. The referee booked him, but he didn't send him packing. Yeah, so he didn't send him off. So send packing, dismiss, send away, sack, discharge, boot out, expel, kick out, eject, fire, oust, throw out, lay off, send away. Okay, so they caught him stealing company property, and he was sent packing. Don't send him packing because he could be of further use. What would happen to him if he was sent packing? So, send packing, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 4. Yeah, 4 in formality. Use informally, semi-formal conversation, just about. Semi-formal writing, well, semi-formal conversation. So, to send packing. Bye for now.